This one is a fun one to do with those transfer stickers too. All right, but I had grabbed a bunch of different things. So not only the transfer stickers from Dollar Tree, but other ones. These jewelry boxes I got from Dollar Tree. So $1.25 for these. I thought these were a good deal. They're like a hard plastic, and then they have the little compartment pieces and stuff inside. I'm gonna do them with the code transfer stickers, but you can do them other ways too. They are. I had these other stickers. I thought they were like the code transfer stickers. I had grabbed those from Michaels. I think I remember, along with these, which are like the code transfer stickers, but they were like actual stickers. So they had the white background and stuff. So I'm gonna find something else cute to do with those. But they are really pretty, and these would look good on a jewelry box or something like that because they just have that nice little look to them. I could imagine doing something like maybe painting it white and then putting using those stickers for that because, like I said, they are really nice, and I'm gonna find an idea for them. So for this, really easy, really simple. You're gonna clean off your surface, and then you're just gonna put, again, I'm using the bookmark ones, but they have a ton of different shapes for these stickers. They have circle shapes. They have ones that they have for tumblers and stuff like that. So they're like a bigger surface. A lot of different options for these code transfer stickers at Hobby Lobby, but I have the bookmark ones, and I've gotten a lot of use out of these stickers. I brought 2 packs, so that was about 8 designs. So did I buy? But I've gotten a lot of use out of these stickers. So I'm just gonna transfer it down, and make sure everything sticks, and then just give it a peel. You can finish this off, but I'm not gonna be doing a lot of rubbing and stuff on the top of it. I wish I would have stopped here, but I was like, let me fill in the hearts, but then I needed the hearts for the other box. But I just wanted to fill in the space, but it looked cute just with that little square, like with the hearts just around the books. But you can map it out however you want. I also thought about maybe I should have gone with the checker print on the other box because the white would have been like just a nice pop, and then like maneuvered the bow in the middle, like if that makes sense to you. But this is what I did. I just put the other little hearts around, filled in that empty space, and cut them, so that they fit inside of the space. And then I just peeled that back. And again, just so simple. And it adds a nice little detail. If you have a Cricut or, a cutting machine, a vinyl cutting machine, you can cut out like a cute little name or something like that. Or you can also use Dollar Tree. You see that gold there? You can use like maybe stickers, or you can use like a rub transfer, and you can customize it like for a certain person too. That is another fun idea to do with this. But for this one, I took the pink sticker. It's hard. It's not picking it up too well, but because it's like pink on pink. But I used the pink sticker and what was left of the white hearts. And like I said, see, it would have been good if I had those extra hearts just to fill that in, and then it would have completed it the way that I wanted it to look. I did come back in and I put in some of the bows from the checkered print, but I wanted to put the checkers, but I had already put down the hearts. So I just put in some of the bows, but again with the pink and the bows, it was kind of, you couldn't really see it. So this would have been a good one to put on the black one, and then vice versa with designs. But this one was for my daughter, and she loves pink. She didn't want the book design on hers, but this is how they came out. So simple and so easy to do. Another fun way to use those code transfer stickers.